The original pressboard tabletop of our 1986 swing keel was damaged, so we replaced it with a solid wood a couple of years ago. It was a dark stain and it sealed, but it was never quite cured. The standard mounts made the table unstable, so we kept it in the berth position. But we're part-time cruisers and we wanted to keep our chart book handy and do some planning while seated at the dinette. With basic woodworking skills and some simple tools, I made this under-table frame for a chart book storage with some 3-inch wood blocks and a 3/4-inch wood window casing. I used a piece of scrap trim to keep the work aligned. Despite pre-drilling, the casing cracked. A little wood glue filler came to the rescue. After sanding the tabletop, I applied 3 coats of C-TOOI Marine Natural Teak Stain to give the table a boat-friendly and brighter look. Countersunk washers give a finished look to the flat screws. Stainless steel hook and eye is a simple solution to table stability. The eyes were screwed into Tago hollow wall anchors. With our brighter, tighter table, we're ready to plan our next adventure.